Hey there guys, welcome to another unboxing video. So today I'm just gonna quickly unbox my new the GKI Offensive Table Tennis Bat, which I ordered from Amazon.in, and it has like costs me around 930 rupees, 933 to be precise. And so just do a quick unboxing and let's see how the package looks like. Alright, so just quickly unwrap this. Don't mind because I'm shooting in my mobile, so video is going to be a bit shaky. Just don't mind about that. But yeah, this is how the bat looks like. Let me quickly show you. So this is how the bat looks like. This is a GKI Offensive-XX, and I have seen the reviews of this because at this price point I felt like this is the best bat that I can get, and I am just like kind of a beginner, you can say, in TT, and I'm just kind of learning to play the shots, the forehand and the backhand, everything. So I guess this will be a good fit for my kind of playing. And it's not a totally beginner's bat. This is like kind of an intermediate bat. So I will do a quick review of this bat and how this performs as well, but this will be just an unboxing video. So inside you get this in a nice package, and this is sealed properly, and as you can see, like, this is a GKI Offensive-XX, and MRP is showing 12898. so Amazon is giving like kind of 15% discount maybe. I haven't calculated it much, but it's kind of 15 to 20. And this is what the backhand side looks like. So let me quickly open up and just give you an overview of how the rubber is. So I asked a few of my friends who are like kind of intermediate players, and who are like kind of play good table tennis in like in office tournaments and all. So they all recommended this bat to me. So that is why I bought it. And as I said, that I'm not a professional player, so I don't have any kind of knowledge on what bat will be best suited for me. So I just went with their review and bought this. So yeah, the rubber is nice. Suddenly is like kind of feels very sticky. So I have to play to figure out how much grip and how much spin I get from this bat. So okay, so that was a kind of quick review. Not review, sorry, that was kind of a quick unboxing video for this. So I hope you guys like it, and I will try to do a review video if possible, and like try to explain like with what are the pros and cons of this bat. Though I'm not a professional player, but yeah, at least in my level I can say if this bat suits me or not. So if anyone who is like kind of beginning to play or kind of in an intermediate level in TT, that might be helpful for them. Thank you, bye, cheers.